My dear Vidyashala brethren, I am 50 plus 2 years now, and looking back, I believe the most significant part of my life which shaped me to what I am today was within the four walls of Vidyashala. Talking to many of my contemporaries, I realize that many of us now go through these feelings that this is the institution that has shaped us to what we are today. One of the most pleasurable things is to meet a ex-classmate from Vidyashala, spend some time with him, talk about the school and what we all learned or went through there. We have reached a stage in our lives where I believe it is important that we start looking at some amount of give back to whatever that we have got. And the people who shaped us to what we are, whether it is Swami Sureshananji or Srikantaya, the amount of love and affection that we have got from them, I don't think we can ever repay this back. In a small way, probably networking among ourselves and coming up with some social causes to which we can contribute and make the world a little better place. I know it will be like a drop in the ocean, but then even that drop needs to be done by somebody like us. I am aware of some of us who are able to do a significant amount of work in the society, and many others like me are not able to, citing that we are busy at our own individual place of work. But if we can network as a group, I am sure instead of each one doing something, as a group we will be able to do much greater work in this world. Whether I am in Hyderabad or some other part of the world, networking brings us closer to a cause, and apart from the camaraderie of sharing things, looking forward to interacting with each other, meeting each other whenever we travel to these places, we should be able to, as a group, contribute to some social causes also. I am very happy that the alumni network is in place today. I have just enrolled myself as one of the members, and I am looking forward to many good things coming out of this. Another important thing I always felt was whatever love, affection, and learning that we have got from this institution, sometimes our families have not been part of it. And at a personal level, we are unable to impart it to them because we do not know how to go about sharing what we actually got from this institution. When we network, I believe it is much easier to bring families together, and the spirit of love, affection which we got unconditionally from the institution and from the people at the helm of affairs in the institution to be conveyed and given to all the family members. I hope each one of us are keeping well wherever we are in the world in these difficult times, but it is these difficult times that make us get together and do great work. Looking forward to the same. Thank you.